Different devices may support different out-of-band control features. Is there a simple way to manage them together? We provide a flexible interface for managing custom actions across different devices, whether it's for immediate execution or long-running tasks. Let's start by looking at how to assign a custom action. Here, we select a device that supports the test function. Click Apply Custom Action in the top right to set up your task. After entering the parameters and time, the system shows the device selected for this action. Once confirmed, the task begins. A progress bar and status message appear on screen. This is a demo of a long-running task, in this case, a simulated download. Click the task to expand and view detailed execution status. At the same time, the device's indicator light turns on, showing that the task is in progress. Let's give it a moment to finish running the task. When the task finishes, the progress bar reaches 100% and the status shows finished. The device's indicator light also turns off, signaling the task is complete. In addition to assigning from the list view, we can also run custom actions from the individual device page. Select the action and enter the required parameters and timing settings. After saving the settings, click Run to start the task on the device. Once the task is complete, the status will show Done and display the message Finished. Now let's see how to schedule a custom action. In the schedule list, select a device and click Apply Custom Task in the top right. Give the task a name and set the start time. In this demo, we'll start it in 2 minutes. Enter the action parameters and timing settings, then confirm the target device. After creating the task, it appears in the Scheduled tab, waiting for its start time. Once the task starts, it moves to the Report tab, where you can view details and parameters. Fields like end time and error code are updated after the task completes. When the status changes to Done, the task is complete. We don't define what the device does. We let you define what it could do.